KeepKey Wallet versus Exodus Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are in the description. Let's dive into their features, target users, and unique strengths to help you choose the best wallet for your needs. KeepKey Wallet is a hardware wallet designed for secure offline storage of your cryptocurrency. It supports over 40 cryptocurrencies, including major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and integrates seamlessly with the Shapeshift platform for in-wallet trading. Its large, easy-to-read display and simple interface make it ideal for beginners seeking a straightforward and secure way to manage their crypto assets. The KeepKey emphasizes security with offline private key storage and PIN protection, but lacks support for a broader range of altcoins and advanced features like staking. Its minimalist approach appeals to users focused on security and ease of use, rather than extensive functionality. On the other hand, Exodus Wallet is a hot wallet with a sleek, user-friendly design and multi-platform compatibility, available as a desktop, mobile, and hardware wallet app. It supports over 260 cryptocurrencies, including ERC20 tokens, and offers features like staking, portfolio tracking, and in-app exchanges. Exodus integrates with the Trezor hardware wallet for enhanced security, making it a hybrid solution for users who want the convenience of a hot wallet with the added protection of a hardware device. While it provides more versatility and is perfect for users who actively trade or stake their assets, its reliance on online storage means it's inherently less secure than a dedicated hardware wallet like KeepKey. In summary, KeepKey Wallet is an excellent choice for users prioritizing security and simplicity, particularly for those managing a smaller portfolio of major coins. Exodus Wallet, however, shines as a versatile solution for users seeking advanced features, a broad range of asset support, and the convenience of multi-device access. Your choice depends on whether you value robust offline security or active portfolio management with added features. Explore the links in the description to learn more and decide which wallet aligns best with your crypto goals.